Is this thing on? There we go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of whatever we're doing today. I don't know. But I've been watching these cool videos of these dudes painting like the universe with some planets and shit. So went and got some spray paint and I'm gonna try to do it too. I have never done this. I have no idea what I'm doing. It's probably gonna look like shit, but let's see. Let's find out. I don't know. Could be a masterpiece. I could sell this thing for maybe, you know, $100 billion. Who knows? It could be the next, you know, cool thing. I doubt it, but it's probably worth nothing other than, you know, the scrap wood that I used to paint on. 25 cents. 25 cents. If it sucks, I will sell it for 25 cents. If it's good, $100 billion. You want to buy it? Let's go. Do this. 20 degrees in my garage right now, so we gotta heat this paint up.